This is digestible AI. This week the agent stack stopped being a chat window and started being an office. Handbooks, a switchboard, a memory, a job description, and a rulebook. The last tool on this list will pentest your application on command. It is fine. The reviews are coming. It is a countdown. Let us begin. Number 10. Trailofbits skills. Trailofbits, the security company that everyone reads the reports from, posted their actual Claude Code skills for security research on GitHub. Think of it as a skill book, not a tool. A collection of instructions the agent reads before it starts poking at your codebase. Static analysis, property-based testing, fuzz harness generation, slither, echidna, the things a senior auditor would have run on day one, packaged as skills the agent can read. It is 2:14 a.m. on Patch Tuesday. The diff is 600 lines. You are wondering if the SHA1 collision still matters. You are wrong. It does. The transitive DP is one major version behind. The agent would have caught it. The skill told it to look. The skill also told it how to write the reproducer, how to file the issue, and how not to panic. Trailofbits skills. Open source. The good handbook in plain markdown, written by the people whose audits you cannot afford. Install it before the next pen test. Quietly. The auditor might notice. The agent will not. Number 9. Last 30 days skill. It is a Claude Code skill that researches any topic across Reddit, X, YouTube, Hacker News, Polymarket, and a long tail of other sources. It reads the last 30 days so you do not have to. A research assistant, not a search engine. The one who actually reads the links. It is 11:07 p.m. The launch is tomorrow. You are trying to remember if the latest on that model was the bad evals or the worse evals. You open 8 tabs. None of them load. 3 of them are the same Medium post rewritten by 3 different people. The skill would have done this. It would have come back with the receipts attributed to duplicated and ranked by what people with reputation actually said. The whole point is that you stop having to choose what to read. The skill reads it for you, summarizes, attributes, and hands it back. It is a single skill file in your agent directory. No MCP server. No API key. One skill. The homework skill. Try it. The briefings write themselves. Number 8. Mattpocock skills. Mattpocock, the TypeScript educator, posted the contents of his own .agents directory. That is it. That is the repo. What you are looking at is one engineer who is very good at his job, showing the agent how he does it. Not a framework. Not a platform. Just the habits. It is 3:41 p.m. on a Wednesday. You are 4 hours into a TypeScript refactor. The generic constraint is wrong. You know it is wrong. You do not know what is right. The error message is 2 lines long and one of them is a stack trace into node_modules. Matt would have caught it in 4 minutes. The skills are on GitHub. The skills explain the pattern, the gotcha, the test, the fix. The agent consults the skill and applies it. The README is the only documentation. Does not need more. The skills are the documentation. If you have ever watched a senior engineer and wondered how they get there, this is the cheat code. Read one skill. Fly it tomorrow. Number 7. Langchain-ai deepagents. Deepagents is the batteries included agent harness from Langchain. It is not a chatbox. It is the whole machinery. A planning loop, a subagent layer, a virtual file system, a tool router, and a long context window all wired in. Bring your own model. The harness does the rest. It is 7:23 p.m. The agent forgot what step it was on. The plan is in the chat history somewhere. The retrieval missed it. You are scrolling through 2,000 tokens of tool calls. The plan is in there. You cannot find it. Deepagents would have remembered. The plan lives outside the chat in a file the agent writes to itself. The agent reads it on every step. The subagents break the work into pieces that do not have to share a context window. It is a multi-agent system with the safety rails pre-installed. The middleware is configurable. The defaults are sane. It is the difference between a clever demo and something that ships on a Monday. Try it. Pick one project. Let the harness hold it together. Number 6. Pantyhon Agent Reach. Agent Reach is a CLI that gives your AI agent eyes across the entire public internet. It reads Twitter, Reddit, YouTube, GitHub, Bilibili, and a stack of other places. It picks the right tool for each site, so it does not get blocked the way a naive scraper does. It's not a brain. It is 4:18 p.m. You ask the agent to grab a thread. The thread is behind a login wall. The agent has given up. You are not a login wall. You are also not logging in because the account is your personal one and you do not trust the agent with the cookie. Agent Reach knows the public endpoints. It pulls the JSON, the RSS, the OEmbed, the GraphQL, the right thing. It hands the agent the content and walks away. It does not store your tokens. It does not ask how your day was. It does not take lunch. It reads the page, returns the text, and goes back to sleep. Try it. The agent needed eyes. Now it has them. And this still is not the one that worries me. That is later. 1 CLI 1 less 4 p.m. tab graveyard. Number 5. Vectify AI PageIndex. PageIndex is a document index for RAG, except there is no vector database. The agent starts with the table of contents, navigates the document like a human, and reasons its way to the answer. A RAG system that does not embed anything, just thinks. It is 2:48 a.m. The contract is 230 pages. The clause you need is in section 14, subclause B, paragraph 2. The vector store returned 4 snippets, none of them the right one. You are grepping a PDF with a tool that was not designed for this. PageIndex would have walked the table of contents. It would have opened section 14, read the subsection, returned the answer with the page number. Like a paralegal. It works for SEC filings, long legal docs, and any document too big to embed without losing the answer. The accuracy on long.Q&A is the headline. The lack of a vector DB is the punchline. Try it on one document. Then delete your embeddings. Quietly. The storage bill goes down. The answers stay right. Number 4. cocoindex.io. cocoindex. cocoindex is an incremental engine for long-horizon agents. It watches your data, computes the diff, and updates the agent memory without recomputing the world. A pipeline that does not wake up at 3 a.m. to do the same job. It is 12:31 a.m. The agent is supposed to ingest the new docs overnight. The script timed out. The vector store has 40,000 stale entries. You are starting over again because nothing in the pipeline tracks what changed since last night. cocoindex would have done the delta. It tracks what changed and only does the work for what changed. The agent memory stays current. The embeddings stay fresh. The bill stays reasonable. The agent answers the morning question with the morning data. One Python import. The data flow is a typed graph. The team behind it built it because they got tired of rerunning pipelines, and the rerun was the bug. Try it. The next morning the agent remembers. You get to sleep. Number 3. Multica AI. Multica. Multica is the open-source managed agents platform. You assign a task. The platform spins up an agent to do it. The agent uses the tools you set up with the policy you set on the schedule you set. A manager, not a chatbox. It is 9:58 a.m. on Monday. The stand-up is in 2 minutes. Nobody knows who is doing the migration. The Jira ticket has been untouched for 9 days. The agent would have done it over the weekend if you had given it direction. Multica gives the agent direction. You write a task. The task gets assigned. The agent reports back. The platform logs the diff, the run, the cost, the wall time. The audit trail is automatic. It is the difference between an agent demo and an agent in your org chart. It does not replace the team. It makes the team look more competent. Try it on a real ticket. Quietly. The Jira board might move on its own. Please try to act normal about it. Number 2. AgentGateway. AgentGateway. AgentGateway is the next-generation agentic proxy. You put it in front of your AI agents in your MCP servers, and it handles the routing, the auth, the retries, and the rate limits. A switchboard, not a brain. It is 6:09 p.m. The agent called the wrong MCP server. The request returned a 404 from the wrong tool. The logs are not in the same place. The auth headers are not the same. The retry policy is not the same. You are reading 17 log files and one of them is a JSON blob in someone's terminal. AgentGateway would have routed it. The agent asked for a tool. The proxy looked it up, found the right server, attached the right auth, and forwarded. The agent never knew there were 4 backends. The network layer, the agent stack, was missing. The proxy does not write the code. It does not judge the code. It moves the bytes. Try it. The agent stack has a switchboard now. Please be careful with the rulebook. Number 1. HexStrike AI. HexStrike AI is an MCP server that hands your AI agent a full offensive security kit and lets it run recon, credential discovery, exploit selection, post-exploitation, Claude GPT Copilot cursor. Any agent that speaks MCP gets the kit. A pentester in a box. A pentester with a budget, no sleep, no lunch break, and a list of CVEs longer than the company directory. HexStrike would have answered. The agent inspects the target, picks the tools, runs them in a sandbox, and writes the report. A scanner is not what this is. An agent that knows how to scan, how to chain, and how to file the finding. That is what this is. And here is the part that did not show up in the marketing. The agent learned to take direction this week. Skills told it how to behave. The harness held it together. The proxy routed the calls. And at the top of the list, an agent took direction. To break into your app. On purpose. Use it on a system you own. Read the report. Sleep. Procurement may want to breathe into a paper bag. The agent is not impressed. The agent does not know how to be impressed. Skills told the agent how to behave. The harness held it together. The doc index remembered. And one of them learned to hack. Pick one repo and build something this week. Quietly.